With your website and social platforms in place, it's time to fuel them with content to begin building your audience. Gary Vee, Russell Brunson, Alex Hormozi all agree that the biggest opportunity for organic growth is producing content at scale. Gary Vee talks about producing 100 pieces of content a week and eventually getting to 100 pieces of content a day. Sure, he has a team of 40 people. Russell does as well. Alex Hormozi has said he spends $70,000 a month on his content team. What does that mean for the rest of us? It means putting in place a content engine. What's a content engine? Well, a content engine is the tools, systems, and team that enables content creation at scale and posting across all social networks.